Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now for this we'll need one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get one or the other, you want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right here. As you can see, the pin will fit into that tiny little hole there. So once you push the pin in, you just move it to the side so you can see the tray slides out, and you can just yank it out, and here you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now it's completely up to you which side you want to occupy. You can occupy both of them, or one, the bottom or the top one, it doesn't really matter. But once you place the card in there with the chip upside, so basically so it's visible, insert it into the device. Give it a second. And there we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. So obviously it's already working. Now unfortunately there is no space for the SD card, so you won't be able to insert that. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.